Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2017 Dodge Journey GT all-wheel drive. Comes in a white exterior color with a black interior. This vehicle has the 4-door sport utility, seating 8. This car also comes with the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission as well. Making our way into the interior of the vehicle, we have your power side mirrors as well as power windows. Nice big speaker down at the bottom with extra storage space and cup holders. Door panel is made up of a black leather with silver inserts. Driver's seat is powered in a black leather. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. You have your voice controls as well as menu selection over on the left hand side. Cruise control over on the right. As you can see, it is push to start, so foot down on the brake. Infotainment screen in the center console. As you can see, both front seats are heated and heated steering wheel as well. You've got your radio with AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as DVD or CD player, with your Bluetooth pairing. All of your heated seat controls as well as heated steering, touchscreen climate control. You have your navigation as well. This car does come with a backup camera. Here's your phone pairing. Down at the bottom, you have your traction control as well as manual climate control. This is your CD player. Nice big storage compartment all the way down, pretty deep as well, with the USB. 2 cup holders, chrome inserted gear shifter. Center console is leather wrapped. You have tons of extra storage space as well. Up top you have your sunroof controls, sunglass holder, as well as a little bit of a reflector, overhead lighting, rear view mirror, universal garage opener on your driver's side sun visor, as well as illuminated vanity mirror on the driver's side, as well as on the passenger side. You've got a nice sunroof for the 2 front seats as well. Comes with your shade if you'd like to close it or not. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 19-inch Dodge rims on summer tires. Color-matched side mirrors with chromed handle grips. Car comes with keyless entry as well, just on the handle grip. Gas tank over on this side as well. All badging is chromed. Dual exhaust, backup cameras just underneath the logo, as well as your trunk opener. Access to your 50 split rear seats. Seats folded down to show you the extra storage space you can have. Fold it back up, you just pull back the leather. Nice and easy, and there you have your full set of 3rd row seats as well. Making our way into the interior of the rear now, we have the same black leather with silver inserts on the door panel. Storage cup holder and speaker down at the bottom. Rear seats are also black leather wrapped. You have your center console, flips down, giving you 2 extra cup holders. Input ports and power banks at the rear of the center console. Both sides in the floor you have these extra storage compartments. Speaker up at the top. DVD screen up at the top. Climate control as well. Nice vents and overhead lighting. This vehicle is also outfitted with a full set of carpeted mats. Finishing up with the right-hand side, you have your rear window wiper antenna just at the rear. This car does come with its own set of roof racks as well. This car also comes with command start. Front grille is blacked with chrome along the inside. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.